Moving on to some breaking inputs coming in. Post Bengaluru violence, Karnataka government has now called for a cabinet meeting today. Will Karnataka government recommend for a ban on SDPI in the cabinet meeting is the next big question and something that we're looking out for. Let's listen into the latest reactions coming in.
Violence in the state, how the government is going to see. What we get to learn is there are high possibilities that the ministers might go ahead and recommend for a ban on SDPI in the state.
So basically, SDPI and PFI are known for their initiating violence, creating trouble, targeted killing. This is their background. They have taken law into the hand, and these organizations are not in the interest of the society. They are creating a lot of communal harmony disturbance. Harmony has been completely disturbed, and completely they are into anti-social activity. In this regard, many interesting turn of events we have been hearing. I think over the matter of time, probably will come out with more evidence, more facts. I think based on that, they are on the way out.
Is there any recommendation that should be done, sir?
Basically basically facts and evidence only can speak. So their involvement in any kind of antisocial elements, antisocial activity has to be proved. Without proving their antisocial activity or taking law into the hand with proof and evidence, that is what is going to make the difference. And
Sir, Karnataka government is all set to ban slaughterhouse. When it will be